What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be going to East Bend MX. It's in North Carolina. I've posted a video on that like a while ago. I think it's like last year, maybe. That was before I had my GoPro, just filming on my phone, so it's gonna be pretty sick with this. Pretty much it. I'm not bringing the 250. Actually, y'all have not seen the 250. Oh my gosh. Let's go through here real fast. Here's a 252 stroke. We're just like riding it for the season. The thing's pretty sick. It's really fast. I'll be racing this at Tomahawk, so there will be a video on that. Why am I locked out? So yeah, everything's loaded up. Got my. I'm probably not gonna wear my white 7 gear today because it's gonna be like red clay, but everything else is gonna be good. We're actually leaving right now. Sorry for the late intro and stuff. Alright, I'll start filming like whenever. I don't really know where we're going. I think we have to go to the store. But yeah. Here a while ago, I'm like, just show you all the track. I'm about to go out for practice. Track's pretty dope. I'm gonna go get my stuff on and then guess go out for practice. The first two motos I did, I only got one on video. Well, I got the start on one, and then so those, it was okay. The first one was good. I think I got like 4th, which isn't bad. I was trying to catch up onto the Suzuki guy, but I really couldn't get him. But I'm gonna get him next moto. And then the other moto, like I was losing power up the faces and stuff, so we're fixing my bike right now, like working on it. And then I guess these two motos I gotta catch up and get the places I want. Stay consistent, and I'll have it. And we got home like at 3 or something, and that was like, I don't really know, that wasn't a very good race. But sorry for not filming any after the race. I was pretty tired. GoPro died, so I couldn't really do anything at all. Didn't talk much in this video, so sorry about that. So if y'all don't know what happened, sorry about that. Next video will be like better, I guess. This race wasn't the best. We've been so spoiled with all the big tracks like Elizabeth City and stuff like that, that we went to East Bend and it was so small and stuff, and I'm not used to it yet. And we had some like bike problems, and I just wasn't doing my best. I wrecked a couple times. Wasn't the best day, but that happens. Gonna keep gonna start practicing more and get better, and then as the season goes on, start winning, and that's what I want to do. So thank you for watching. Go on my Instagram at durkey.turkey55. Follow me and like all of my posts. And go follow my filming account, because there's gonna be an edit on Colton, my little brother, on there, like probably when this video's like already uploaded and stuff. And that's about it. Turn post notifications on, like this video, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.